Easy Equities is a subsidiary of JSE-listed Purple Group Limited, an online platform which allows anyone to buy shares from as little as R5. That was from About on the Easy Equities app, which you're about to download because that is how you will be able to buy shares. I will take you through just how you will be able to buy shares on the Easy Equity app.
Okay, now you have already downloaded the Easy Equities app, and I will just take you through the steps on how you can actually start investing, all of the requirements and everything that is entailed to it. Now we're just gonna open the app. Since I already have an account with them, I'll just then log in. Okay, once you have downloaded the app, the first thing that you'll need to do is to register. Once you have registered, you have the opportunity or the chance to use a demo account, which you will find right here. There's a demo ZAR account and a demo USD account. Let me just quickly explain the other ones before we move on. There's Easy Equities ZAR, and I have zero balance in my account. So here you can buy shares that are on the JSE under South Africa, and then this is a TFSA, a tax-free savings account. Easy Equities USD, you can buy shares from companies in the US. I recently discovered Easy Properties ZAR, so you can buy shares. You can buy property shares. I haven't really figured out how it works, but I'm going to go back to this one. This is the demo, like I had explained earlier. Okay, once you have those things cleared out, you've registered and you have played around with your demo account. Now you want to invest. So what will be required from you is the following. First of all, your ID. You have to upload your ID and utility bill that is going to show your address, so what we call proof of address. Let's go to my profile. This is the personal information that will be needed from you, the FICA documents, your ID, address information, tax information, and bank info, basically your bank statement. Then you will enter in your personal details and everything accordingly. So this is quite confidential. I'm not going to show you everything. Gender, female, male, your work number, and everything as it's needed. And once your FICA documents are approved, you then now need to deposit into your account. So let us go to deposit. You have three options on how you can deposit money into the account. You can use EFT, a credit card, or SID. SID is simply a simpler way of transferring money from your card into wherever you want to send the funds electronically. So it's not really different from the previous two, your credit card. All right. Let's try the credit card method. All right, then you will just indicate, I'll say 10 Rand for now. Okay, now you see that there will be a transaction fixed charge of 1.60 Rand. Let me do this. Cool. All right, and then here I'll provide my card details, the expiry, month and year, my name, and the 3-digit code, the CVV. And then I will deposit into my Easy Equities account. Once I've done that, I'll then need to go on to the my banking app and confirm the transaction. And once that is in, now I want to invest. Let's just say I happen to have funds in my Equities ZAR account. I will then I created a watch list. So let's go to Equities. Select an investment type. Category, I would say all. top 40, they show you the top 40 companies. I've never been on the Thrive, but you can figure that out. So what I will do is I'll get on my search button, and then I'll search. Let's search, for example, Investec. Investec. Good. It is a company, right? And here it is. I'm just going to open here for me to read about the company and know what is happening. So they just give you a briefing on the company's details about Investec, and this is a 1 month. This shows a 1 month. I don't know why. There we go. 6 months. So this shows the share price of the company over a period of 6 months. So it was once 60 Rand in August 2020, and now it is on 75 Rand. About Investec, you can read about it and see how the company has been doing. Obviously, you will have funds over here, and then you will specify how many shares, how much money you want to spend, and then it will show you the number of shares that you will be accumulating. There is costs that are involved. You can donate 550 Rand or 500 Rand. I choose not to donate anything for now because I'm out here trying to make money. Obviously, I have insufficient funds to do the purchase, so if I had funds, it would then give me an option to buy, and I would click that button. So let's go back to invest. I'm sure you're wondering what this watch list is for. This watch list is a list of companies that I have put sort of like in my basket, but I haven't checked out. I just want to make sure that I have it close and I can watch it closely and how it's doing. Let me show you how that is done. Let's go to Equities again. Let me then have them show me these companies. Oh, there's APSA, Let me go to, okay, for the sake of this video, let's just quickly jump to the Easy Equities USD. Equities, category all, and then let me search. Let me search for company in the US. I can only think of McDonald's. I'm trying to get it out of my head. It's just there, McDonald's. Okay, and then search. Here it is, McDonald's Corp. All right. This is the share price over 1 month, over 3 months. I always prefer 6 months or a year. Just a year is better for me because now it shows me the graph how much the shares were of the company over a specific time, so I can see the behavior of the shares using this graph, and I will then know when to buy. And I can just estimate an average, which okay. So when the shares are at this point, I can buy. Remember to always buy low and sell high. So here we are. Here it is. Add to watch list. I'm just going to press this button, and then it will appear. It'll appear on my watch list.
Okay, that's just how simple it is. You can be able to buy shares on Easy Equities from as little as 5 Rand. You saw it, it's not complicated, it is very easy. All you need to do is to be wise, buy low, sell high, be patient. We are buying shares, not sweets. and we aren't making profit immediately. So you will make profit over time. Now you need to watch your news, know what's going on in the companies that you bought shares in, be wised up, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment for me in the comment section. Thank you.